Hello guys, I'm straight back to with my new solution of Leetcode problem 231 called power of 2. So first of all, we need to get to look at the description of our problem. So we need to return true if integer n supposes by the power of 2. It means if we can get n by raising 2 into any degree. So I have imagined a little bit brute force method, but I consider this problem is very easy. I have really no idea why only 48% of users could solve it. So my solution is very short, but a little bit brute forcing. First of all, I'm going to start a for loop, which will go through the range from 0 till 100. Maybe it's a little bit brute force method, but okay, let it be. And if we will raise 2 into degree of I, and if it equals to n, we return true. So some of you can ask, why did I start the for loop from the 0, not from the 1? To be honest, it's really easy to explain because we have the 0 raised degree. For example, as you can see here, 2 raised in 0 degree means 1. So we need to use it, because another way we will get the error and we wouldn't go through test case. So now we will see the submission of my problem solution. As you can see, maybe it beats only 5% of users with Python by the runtime, but it runs up 81% of users about memory. And I hope this video was helpful for someone. Soon I'm going to introduce my new project, which will be the some kind of English learning app. So I hope will be also useful for someone. Thank you for watching. Bye.